Hello student, this is Gop and welcome to all of you in this video. Today's topic is to solve the numerical of dissolution of partnership form. Here is example number 1. My dear student, to keep in your mind, there is a sequence to prepare the given account. First is realization account, then if there is need, then partners loan account, partners capital account, and last there is bank account or cash account. If in the question, if there is mention cash in hand, then we will prepare cash account. If there is given cash at bank account, then we will prepare bank account. And sometime given both of them, that time we will prepare bank account. So my dear student, please keep in your mind, during the solve of numerical of dissolution of partnership forms question, you will prepare realization account, partners loan account, partners capital account, and thereafter cash or bank account. Here is example number 1. As we know, read the question, be carefully. There is a balance sheet. A and B share profit in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2018 was as follows. On the liability side, creditors and capitals, and the asset side, cash at bank, debtors, provision for doubtful debts, stock, machinery, land and building. Also, there is some additional information. Partners decided to dissolve firm on the above date. Asset realized on follow: stock at rupees 45,000, machinery 20% less than the book value, debtors rupees 35,000, land and building rupees 30,000 more than the book value. Creditor agreed to accept 5% less expenditure on realization of assets amount to rupees 1,200. Prepare realization account, partners capital account and bank account. My dear student, here is balance sheet. Just you have listened from me about the balance sheets, liabilities side, asset side, and some additional information. First of all, we will prepare realization account. On the realization account, first we close the asset account. First we have to close the asset account. To close asset account, all the assets except cash at bank, and if there is fictitious asset, उसको छोड़ करके बाकी एसेट्स को हम रियलाइजेशन के डेबिट साइड में लिखेंगे. हु? डेटर, स्टॉक, मशीनरी, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. डेटर्स, स्टॉक, मशीनरी, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. On the debit side of realization account, debtor, stock, machinery, land and building. This process is known as closing of assets account. Assets account को क्लोज करने के लिए हमारे पास जो भी एसेट है, ध्यान रखना है दो को छोड़ करके, कैश इन हैंड, कैश एट बैंक और फिक्सियस एसेट, उसको छोड़ करके बाकी जितने भी एसेट हैं, सारे एसेट्स को हम रियलाइजेशन के डेबिट साइड में लिखेंगे. टू डेटर्स, टू स्टॉक, टू मशीनरी, टू लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग. देयर इज ऑल्सो ए प्रोविजन फॉर एसेट. देयर इज ऑल्सो अ प्रोविजन फॉर एसेट. इट विल राइट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड of realization account. Credit side on the realization account. Just I have done the closing ऑफ एसेट्स। हमने अभी क्या काम किया? एसेट अकाउंट को क्लोज किया। नाउ द सेकेंड वर्क इज क्लोज ऑफ लायबिलिटीज अकाउंट। क्लोज ऑफ लायबिलिटीज अकाउंट, we will write on the credit side outsider liability. In this question there is only one outsider liability, that is the creditor. That is the creditor. So we will write this one on the credit side of realization account. Look here, creditor 20,000. Just I have done the closing of assets account as well as liabilities account. Now read the additional information. For preparing realization account there is not any item in the balance sheet. अब बैलेंस शीट के अंदर में कोई ऐसा आइटम नहीं है जिसको हम रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट में लिखते हैं। So now I am going to where? At additional information. On the additional information, assets realized on the follow. That means sale of asset. एसेट अकाउंट को क्लोज करते हैं रियलाइजेशन के डेबिट साइड में। एसेट अकाउंट को क्लोज करते हैं रियलाइजेशन के डेबिट साइड में, और सेल ऑफ एसेट्स कहां होता है? रियलाइजेशन के क्रेडिट साइड में। सो हियर इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन देयर इज कैश एट बैंक। इन दिस क्वेश्चन कैश एट बैंक. So we have used what? Bank account. We have used bank account. So I have written here by bank account. This is for what? Sale of assets or asset realized. With the help of question, stock sale at rupees 45,000, machinery at 32,000, book value is what? 40,000. Book value is 40,000 and 20% less than book value. So 20% of 40,000 is 800 less. That means we will subtract 8,000 from 40,000. So we get what? 32,000. Debtors 35,000. Here is mentioned debtors 35,000. Land and building 30,000 more than the book value. The book value is 1,20,000. 30,000 more, that means plus. So it's become 150. So 2,62,000. That is what? The amount get on sale of assets. ये जो 2,62,000 आया, कैसे आया? On the sale of assets. Now the turn of payment of liability. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? लाइबिलिटी का पेमेंट करेंगे। Here is only one outsider liability. That is what? That is creditor. Creditor agreed to accept 5% less. 5% less. 5% of 20,000 is 1,000. 1,000 less. That means if we subtract 1,000 from 20,000, we will get 19,000. So creditors, payment of creditor is 19,000. Creditor payment is 19,000. There is one thing more. Expenses on realization. Expenses on realization. We will write to bank account 1,02,000. Now there is not any information regarding or related to realization account. So finally we will totaling both side, debit side as well as credit side. Whenever we add the credit side item, we will get 2,83,800। जब हम रियलाइजेशन के क्रेडिट साइड को ऐड करेंगे देन वी गेट 2,83,800। Similarly, if we add the item of debit side, we will get 2,75,000. What do we get? 2,75,000. Now, which amount is more? Credit side is more. So the more amount written in the total box both side. हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि दोनों में से जो ग्रेटर होगा, डेबिट और क्रेडिट के टोटलिंग अमाउंट में ग्रेटर अमाउंट को लिखेंगे। Here the greater amount is 2,83,000. That's why we will put in totaling box of debit side as well as credit side. We will put 2,83,800. 2,83,800. Now consider which side is more. Credit side is more. So there is profit on realization. If credit side is more than debit side, there is profit on realization. How much profit? Subtract both of them, 275 and 283,800. We get 8,800. What do we get? 8,800. That is what? This is the profit on realization. Now 8,800 is distributed among the both partner A and B in the ratio of 3:2. The amount get by the A is 5,280 and B gets 3,520. So this is the realization account. In this question, there is not loan given by the partner. That's why I have not opened partner's loan account. Now third is partner's capital account. In partner's capital account on the credit side, I have taught you capital account, balance of partner's capital, accumulated profit and reserve, profit on realization, that will be written on the credit side of partner's capital account. And on the debit side of partner's capital account, that will be accumulated loss. Accumulated loss. Now I am going to explain about in this question partner's capital account. So in partner's capital account we will write partner's capital, that will be by balance BD 150/90. These are the partner's capital. Next is profit on realization. जब हम रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट बनाते हैं तो उसका जो आउटपुट होता है आइदर प्रॉफिट होता है और लॉस होता है। इन दिस क्वेश्चन देयर इज प्रॉफिट ऑन रियलाइजेशन। तो जब भी किसी तरह का प्रॉफिट होता है फॉर्म में, दिस प्रॉफिट गोज टू द पार्टनर। तो इसको हम लोग कहाँ लिखते हैं? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के क्रेडिट साइड में, बाय रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट ऑन रियलाइजेशन, प्रॉफिट ऑन रियलाइजेशन। नाउ देयर इज नो मोर एनी इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। अगर अब हम क्वेश्चन को मेनी टाइम्स कितना बार भी पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन अब पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट से रिलेटेड there is no any more information. So finally we have to made payment to the partner. So balance this one. There is no any amount in the debit side of partner's account. So I will put this one from here to here. And this amount paid to the partner, this is to bank account, paid to the partner. Now finally we will prepare bank account. As we know, debit side of the bank account we will write balance, that is what? Cash at bank, we will write here to balance BD. Thereafter, asset realize, to realization account, asset realize. Amount is what? 2,62,000. This amount is get from the where? At the realization account. Now there is no any more information regarding debit side of bank account. So we are going on which side? Credit side of bank account. First is payment of creditor by realization, 19,000. Expenses on realization by realization account, 1,200. And lastly, final payment to the partner, A 1,55,280, B 93,520. So it will write on the credit side of credit side. At what time? When the firm payment to the partner. जब फर्म पार्टनर को पेमेंट करेगा तो लिखेंगे बैंक अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में, और जब पार्टनर ब्रॉट इन कैश तो उसको कहां लिखेंगे? बैंक के डेबिट साइड में। यहां क्या है? फर्म पार्टनर को पेमेंट कर रहा, इसलिए पार्टनरों को हम कहां लिखेंगे? बैंक अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में। बाय एज कैपिटल, बाय बीज कैपिटल। नाउ एट बोथ साइड वी विल गेट इक्वल on the both side. The amount is 2,69,000, 2,69,000. Now my dear student, just I have solved the problem numerical related to the dissolution of the partnership firm, example number 1. I hope you will feel easy and try to understand. Now my dear student, if you feel good, better, best, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.